Now, at this point in the video, we're kind of reaching this crucial point of just this boundary setting journey. So let's dive deep into the next phase. We're going to dive into a situation that can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Now, picture this, and maybe this is true for you. It was true for me. You've surrounded yourself with these narcissistic people for quite some time. This isn't new. They've been here for a while. And what they've done is developed a relationship with an older version of you, the one without clearly defined boundaries or standards. And guess what? You've undergone a personal, powerful transformation. And it's going to take some time for them to get used to that. You've stepped into your power. You've embraced self-love. You've asserted yourself, and you've established those strong boundaries. You're not attacking anyone anymore, and you're not trying to solve all problems through anger. No. You're radiating confidence and taking care of yourself like a boss, like a champ. And here's the thing, it's going to catch them off guard. They're used to that old version of you, and then suddenly this new improved individual just kind of pops up out of nowhere with a whole new set of standards and expectation. Well, those narcissists is going to take some time to adjust to this new upgraded you. It's kind of like, when you upgrade your phone and you get the latest model, and some of those like really old features and those old apps, they just don't seem to work properly anymore. With the new phone, without the old apps, is actually more efficient. You can get more done with it. This update, this upgrading you, is going to take some time for people to get used to. And other people in your life, not just the narcissist, they may need some time to adapt to this new version of you, which means, we're evolving. If they have a trouble with that, that's too bad. We're human.